Hi guys, welcome back to it. Oh, wait. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Yeah. Today we will be playing as the newest bird added to the game. Yeah, I was just chatting to myself. So right now I am the egg version of the game. I mean, of the bird. So, yeah. Yeah, my grammar is horrible. Oh well, I'm gonna have to talk for the next 3 minutes. Oh well. Better make this the best. Yes. This bird. So I would consider buying this bird for $10. I think it is totally worth it. And you get an extra 300 Robux, which you can customize your character with. I'm gonna do that after this when I'm done editing. Yes, that's me dressing up. Dressing my character up takes forever because it's like I like to roleplay like beautifully. Don't mind me chatting. I didn't think I would add audio to this. And I'm just gonna talk about random things about the Cockatoris. So the Cockatoris, it's like an extinct bird, and it has like that magic thing, like that magic stuff coming out of its eyes is, I guess, fire. I don't know. And this is my first day. Actually, I got this like 10 minutes ago after this video. But it is one of the best birds I've ever played with in this game. I consider playing it so much. I really love it. I can't get enough because it's like a mix of the phoenix and the griffin mixed together. So I got this like a month after it came out, I think. Yeah, my game is also really laggy. Well, not that laggy, but it's laggy. So this is what it looks like as a grown up. And it sounds very, very weird. Yeah, we will soon the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If this is consider buying, if you consider buying it, have an gamer awesome day.